Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually update your Power BI automatically without any hurdles of uninstalling and installing. So for the records, Power BI releases a new feature and a new update every month, and for that you need to always stay updated in order to stay in loop to get all the sweet and also the interesting things that comes up with the new update. So oftentimes you actually need to uninstall and also install again, but that's a whole lot of hurdles. So in this video I'll be diving through how to actually set it automatically, so once the update is being done you will always get your updates very fast and automatically. So I want to use the opportunity to thank you all for getting me to 100 subscribers. That means a lot to me. It gives me a whole lot of encouragement. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, also share the video, comment, and also share the video if you find it very useful, so that every other people can learn. So always stay in loop. This channel is where you learn about everything data, tech, and also lifestyle. So keep in loop. Now let's get right on. So once you're in your Power BI desktop, you should actually be here. So what all you need to do is just go to your file. Once you go to your file, you see other options. You see new open report. All I want to see is my options and settings. Once I get to my options and settings, I'll choose options. So a pop-up is actually going to come up where I have a whole lot of items to choose. All I want to do here is I want to go to my preview features. So currently you can see that this my preview feature is actually just like the name implies, all the new features actually implies here. So you can see that all those boxes are unchecked. All you need to do is actually check all of them, so that once a new update is being pushed, you should be able to get updated. So I want to point you guys notice to something. Now I'm not using the current update of Power BI. The current update of Power BI, you have your visualization pane somewhere around there. So once I update it now, you will see that your visuals is going to come somewhere around here. So let's get right on. So I'm just going to go through quick and then do it so that you'll see it. So preview features, go to check all the buses. Remember to check all the buses, all of them, so that once a new update is being done, it will actually update automatically. So, and currently since I have the older version, I'll actually get a newer version once I do this. So you click OK. So when you click OK, a pop-up is going to come up, a dialog box. It's just telling you that okay, yeah, if you want to make all these changes and you want the changes to take effect, you need to restart your Power BI desktop application. So, and that's just it. So I click OK. So once I click OK, I'll now have to close my application and then start it up again. So let me start it up right now. So I'm starting it up over again. Let's see if the new feature is actually going to be what's there. So yeah, voila, I think we have the new feature of Power BI desktop. You can see that our visuals is now here, is no longer here. So you can see every other changes that has been effected ASAP. So this is it, guys. So here in this new Power BI desktop, if you need to remove or add any of the items in this right hand side of the pane, all you need to do is go to your view, and then you can add. Currently we have formats there. Do you want to add data, then you add data, and that's just it. So this new Power BI feature is actually very sleek, and also I think I like the UI So, and some other stuff that I prefer, rather some things in the older versions that I actually prefer to this one. But yeah, it's a new development and it keeps evolving and keeps getting better. So thank you all for watching. Also, if you find this video very informative, make sure to share and also subscribe if you are new to the channel. And then thank you once more to get me to 100 subscribers. It means a lot to me and it encourages me more to do more. So keep in loop for tech, lifestyle, and everything data. And bye.